Hello guys, today we are make die mini solar tubewell kit. Material required: solar panel, water pump, push connector, switch and pipe. Let's start to make our circuit. Step 1: solar panel and push connector. The red wire of the solar panel connect to T6 terminal and the black wire connect to T5 terminal. Step 2: water pump. The red wire of the water pump connect to T4 and the black wire connect to T5 terminal. Step 3: switch. The red wire of the switch connect to T1 and T3 terminal. Step 4: plug the pipe into the water pump. Function: take 2 glass to perform your experiment. Currently, we are using lamp to perform your experiment. You can see when we turn on switch, the water pump start running. Your water pump working properly when the sun fall directly on the solar panel. Let's go to perform your experiment in the presence of sunlight. You can see the water pump working properly.